So I just started my vlogging thing. This is my first video. And what happened? My cousin's car battery died. So it happened because he was not, going out, the pandemic, and he was working from home. So suddenly, what's that? Oh, this squirrel is crossing the street. Nice. Anyway, so his car battery this neighborhood. Anyway, so he got a new battery from the Canadian Tire. He ordered it like through online because none of the Canadian stores are open for in-store purchase. So we got it through the online and we got the battery from the Canadian Tire. Actually, I didn't go. He went there for groceries and he took the delivery. So we're gonna show how to do this. This is a very amateur first vlogging of mine because I am planning to do some camping videos in future, and I'll also do some catch and cook videos for fish and all. So this is like a testing vlogging. So I have to learn certain things like the frames, like the content making and everything. So this is a practice shot. So if you guys like it, give it a, you know, hit a like button or subscribe my channel because more videos are coming in spring and in summer. Today is very cold, very, very cold. It feels like minus 14 today outside. And let's see how it goes, the battery replacement. So, see this car, the red Mazda 3 sports hatchback. So this, what we're gonna do, we will try to, sorry about that. We'll try to jumpstart the battery and let's see how it goes. I think he's here. Yep. Yeah, he's here. Yeah, he's here with the Tesla Model 3 with like a lot of groceries and all. he's, he was laughing. He didn't know that what is store for him. So tell me about it, how it happened.
Well, I didn't start the car for 2 weeks because I was sick. And then the weather was really bad as well. And then the battery gave up on me. Hopefully it's the battery.
But
It's
you
not
were
the battery.
also suspecting that maybe it has
Could be a
a
starter problem. Could be the alternator. But most likely it's the battery.
most like the battery. The how
That's
you
the that's the first step
yeah.
of the troubleshooting.
The way it happened yesterday, it looks like it's the battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
Yeah. Do you want me to bring my car now? No, later.
Not later. First, let me install it.
Okay. It's cold today. So you already removed the old one, right?
So
Oh, yeah.
the
You
first
gave it.
part is already done.
You gave it to them,
Remove
right? Yep.
the old battery, take the nuts and bolts out.
Start.
No, I don't want to take that risk.
You don't have to. It's okay. We'll gonna bring the car at
Because this is a brand new battery.
Okay. So need to know that brand new batteries have chargeable. We don't know that.
It should have.
It should have like some juice inside, right? Yeah. are freezing, man. What's the temperature? Minus 12, 13, something like that. Yeah, this is our beautiful neighborhood, as you can see. It's very chill today. I don't know how people do the winter camping this season. I saw a lot of videos people are doing winter camping. My goodness. This is how you should jump start your car. You need to bring the car close to the another one. I know a lot of people know this, but if you don't know how to do it, this is how actually you need to do it perfectly. So what do we need to do to jumpstart the car?
So first we are gonna get the good batteries, positive side, plug it in. Red goes to the positive side.
And the other part goes to the...
The bad battery, positive side. Then the negative side of the good battery. And then the negative side of this car will go to a ground.
That's very important.
So
This is
I'll just find a
metal,
metal
anything metal,
piece.
yeah.
that's there. And then we're gonna start up this car.
Yep. Let's see how it goes.
Give it like 2 minutes.
Yeah. My goodness. What's the temperature today? Oh, it's cold. Finger crossed, bro. Yeah, yo! Success! success.
The cables out.
Yep.
Reverse order. First the black one from the started car.
Mm-hmm.
The black one from the good car.
Okay.
Then red from here, and then red from here.
So we need to follow the sequence, right?
It's safer.
Okay.
Safer for both cars.
Got it. So give us a victory smile and all.
I'm happy.
Yeah.